Hey guys, welcome to Top 5s HD. Once again, we're bringing you another set of shocking inventions in 2022. So, let's get started. Cara Pure. Cara Pure is your complete source of drinking water. It is a revolutionary device that turns the air around you into drinking water up to 10 liters per day. That's 20 water bottles in 1 month. Cara Pure Place is 600 bottles of water. This unique technology captures the moisture in the air, and as it accumulates, it stores up to 9 liters of drinking water per day. This innovative heat technology purifies the air by filtering out contaminants and killing germs similar to boiling water. Cara Pure is bottomless drinking water at its finest. The best part, there's no installation required. Just plug it in and go. Our bodies require healthy water. It keeps us youthful and energized. Cara Pure is 9.2 pH antioxidant alkaline water and contains rare minerals that support healthy skin and hair and keep you hydrated and energized. It's great for tea, coffee, protein shakes on the go after an night out. If you have spotty water service bacteria in your well, live in a drought-stricken area, or if you just have plain bad city water, dump your bottled water and stop worrying about what that taste is in your tap or fridge. Water. Save money, save time, and have truly reliable, pure, and healthy drinking water with Cara Pure. Xerall tankcopter. This is the world's first flying tank that performs great on the ground and in the air. The drone has been designed on a patented propulsion system that enables effective connection of driving and flight. An awesome gadget for outdoor and indoor fun. The drone can drive across rough terrain, drift on flat surfaces, turn on the spot, climb obstacles, and more. Armed with 4 propellers that allow it to take off to the air once the obstacle is too big to drive over. You can explore new places that are out of reach for any other vehicle. Do not worry if you are a beginner. The tankcopter is very easy to control, perfect for kids and adults. The advanced altitude hold mode will keep the drone stable at a set height, so you can focus on having fun. The Kryptide. It consists of a sole with an open design, combined and printed together with an upper shoe that is not much more than a sock. As its name suggests, the sneaker is inspired by so-called cryptids, mythical creatures such as Bigfoot or Loch Ness that may or may not exist. If you wear this shoe, you will leave traces like a cryptid would do. The rubber-like synthetic TP elastomer. Ingeniously, by varying the wall thickness, specific parts of the footwear become stiffer, while others remain flexible and soft. This makes the Kryptide not only ergonomic, but also comfortable to wear. Ember Cube. This is the world's first self-refrigerated cloud-based shipping box. The temperature-controlled cube is stackable, reusable, and intuitive, designed to protect and transport its precious cargo. When it's time to go, you can be sure the Ember Cube holds the perfect temperature thanks to its onboard cellular radio, which reports humidity, temperature, and location, all trackable on our proprietary cloud-based dashboard. Whether the cube is on the ground or in the clouds, after the cubes have arrived and are unloaded, a simple press of the button automatically generates the return shipping label on the digital screen and schedules its own pickup with the carrier before returning to where it started, ready to be reused rather than discarded. Groundbreaking technology protecting groundbreaking medicines to help save lives and life on planet Earth. XFoil. XFoil is an all-electric silent-emission free watercraft that can ride on the surface of the water and fly above the water. We've engineered or wader craft that's more compact than a child-sized surfboard, conveniently fits inside standard sedans, and a watercraft capable of speeds comparable to that of a 500 horsepower speedboat. What sets XFoil apart as our game-changing motor assembly that allows you to easily configure XFoil into a surf, foil, and sub-configurations using the same motor in the surf configuration. XFoil can be ridden on your belly, sitting down, squatting, or standing up. It's a great way to learn and ride in shallow water. In the foil configuration, XFoil can plane quickly and allow you to take off and land for an absolutely thrilling riding experience. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can build riding confidence in progressive steps, learn on your own time, and advance to the next riding style. Whenever you feel comfortable, the handcrafted board is made with carbon fiber, and the unique underbody has been engineered to absorb waves, increase lift, and minimize drag for unsurpassed comfort and control. The super-efficient wings delivers outstanding performance and maneuverability. The mask and fuselage are made with aircraft-grade aluminum for superior strength, weight, and corrosion resistance. The HipStar. This is a universal travel cart that allows you to carry heavy luggage without breaking a sweat. The breakthrough design allows the user to move without impeding natural motion. With your hands completely free, you can walk and run comfortably. But patented design allows your luggage to be perfectly balanced on two heavy-duty wheels, while the shock absorbers and flexible harness dampen any uneven motion. The cart can be fully adjusted based on load weight, user height, and waist size. We want to take a break or stop to pull something out of your bag. The HipStar can stand independently in a vertical position thanks to a retractable kickstand. And if you ever need to travel over more challenging terrain, convert it to backpack mode without ever having to unstrap your bag. And of course, you can pull it like a regular suitcase using the top handle. Is it possible to hook up the HipStar to a bike? Of course, the additional bike adapter quickly converts it into a bike trailer. The HipStar can be disassembled into a flat and compact mode, ideal for long-distance transportation or storage. Get ready for a whole new world of adventures with HipStar. Freeboard 5X. This is the perfect snowboard cross-training device. It's not quite a skateboard and not quite a longboard. It's made to ride like a snowboard. Whether you like to shred black diamonds, downhill, skateboard, or test out your tricks, Freeboard 5X offers something to every rider. Freeboard's patented design mimics the exact movement of a snowboard, while also allowing you to fill the pavement like a longboard or a skateboard. Keep your snow lake strong all year long. Say goodbye to expensive loop tickets can transform any neighborhood into a personal snowboard. Run the mechanics of a freeboard. Work exactly like a snowboard. The outer wheel. Simulate the steel edges of a snowboard, while the middle wheel, called the caster wheel, is designed to simulate the flat base of his snowboard, laying all your weight onto an edge to hold a tight carves, or roll some weight off your edge and slide, drift, or spin. Unlike previous technology, the Freeboard 5X is even easier for beginners to pick up, allowing brand new riders increased ability to balance on the board, meaning more speed, technique, and control. Colorsonic. Its latest beauty tech innovation to reinvent the entire hair coloration category. It's a lightweight, handheld device that uses an innovative, mess-free process to mix hair color and apply it evenly, delivering consistent hair color results for consumers at home and Colorite. The machine features a reader, which analyzes the client's hair, measuring factors that influence color's effectiveness, including hair color, gray percentage, length, and density, and a dispenser that contains dry beads consisting of hair dye, accompanied by cartridges of base creams, developers, and dilators. Together, these dispensed components create a personalized hair color recipe. The ultra-precise machine dispenses all the components of the formula, and in total, Colorite can provide more than 1,500 custom possibilities. Awol. The Brightest 4K tricolor laser projector with Dolby Atmos. By working with the most advanced engineers and manufacturers, Awol uses the latest triple laser ultra short throw technology without a common color wheel to deliver more than 1 billion colors with more accuracy than a movie theater. Powered by Dolby Atmos sound that will blow your house away. Sitting just 6 inches from any wall. With brightness up to 3500 peak lumens, Awol brings the sharp details even under the ambient light. With HDR10+, witness the darkest darks and the brightest brights with striking clarity, all contained within an ultra-modern design, displaying images up to 150 inches, shaped by keystone correction to fit any wall. Awol 4K delivers a premium theatrical experience for TV lovers, gamers, and movie nights, indoors and out. Finally, a home theater projector, better than movie theater quality. Sparrow Drone. Sparrow Drone Jupiter is small, light, and portable. But that doesn't mean it sacrifices on features. Big things come in small packages. With 2 cameras, Jupiter is able to capture its entire surroundings in 360 degrees, allowing for a unique visual experience. Vertical sensors allow it to land gently in hand or on the ground. And with its internal fan, motor, and control vanes, it's safe to hold. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.